Alright guys, so I haven't posted a video of my truck in a long time. Probably since last November, maybe early December. This winter's been really busy with school and work and everything. And the truck's been kind of filthy. But I finally cleaned it up. And, well, not really cleaned it, just kind of washed it down. And pulled it out and thought I'd make an update video. Not a lot's changed, but some has. Sometime during the winter, I think the door got a little chipped. I'm not sure whether that was ice or probably some salt from a plow truck. Winter can be hard on the vehicles here with all the salt, but I wash it after every snowstorm after I drive on the salt, and I have the frame coated with a roll-on bed liner, so there's virtually no rust on this truck. Paint's pretty good for being original, as on a 17-year-old pickup like it is. See inside, I haven't made any real changes. It's got a few more miles on it, not a lot. I've been busy lately, so the interior really has been neglected. Figure I'll show you what's changed. Well, as you can see, not much. The battery's less than 2 years old, so that's still running good. You can't see it, but I had to have a new radiator. I think we had about 10 days there where it didn't get above like 15 degrees and kind of cracked it open. I think the winters were just hard on it. Other than that, the thermostat went out with it, but I got that taken care of, so same good old truck. The lights proved useful in the snowstorms, driving home at 2 in the morning on the freeway. Really make a big difference. Some people might think those stickers are kind of tacky, but they're fun. They're just on the fiberglass bed cover. I wouldn't dare put them on the paint. Start it up real quick. That steering wheel cover is new, but it's not a big improvement or change. I just thought it looks cool. And at one point I wanted new wheels, but I like these wheels, they're good. When the weather gets warm like this, I generally ride my bike. So I thought I'd pull it out, start it up, let it run for a while, and make a quick video. So there you go.